Welcome back to Jessie's Performance. This week we're going to share with you the reveal that we did on a 64 Impala project we took in almost a year ago. The project came in for some Kandy paint and a little bit of interior restoration work, and the project took entirely too long. We had, I don't know how many inadequate people working over in the body shop that just kept setting us back and making the project take way longer than it should have. But Jessie took over. He took care of painting it himself for, I don't know how many times we painted this car, but he finally took over painting it himself, and it turned out immaculate. The car came in with some hail damage, so we fixed the hail damage. This is what it looked like before. Definitely quite the transformation. We just wanted to share with you the customer's reaction and how beautiful the car came out. So here we go.
What do you think?
Amazing, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah. Holy
Good.
shit.
Good.
Are you so excited?
Yeah, I'm stoked.
Oh yeah, check it out, man. It ain't nothing crazy, but it's nice. The fight is not over with the Impala, apparently.
Man.
This is the Impala from hell. It's literally...
Like every other Impala?
Yeah.
Or all from hell?
This is just a typical Impala restoration job. Here we are, ready to deliver the car. Customer opens the door. Boom, chrome slides forward. Hopefully didn't scratch the fender. We're gonna have to pull the inner fender out, undo the chrome, and pray that we can fix it. The chrome's not damaged, which is okay, I guess. I would have rather it wrinkled the fucking chrome up and had to buy a new piece of chrome, but we'll hopefully, I got my fingers crossed that my paint's stuck on there good enough and we got enough clear on there that we can save it. So, you know, we like challenges. Challenges are our thing, right? So I took on this 64 Impala hail damage car as a challenge, and boy did I regret that. Customer wanted two-tone, white top, candy apple red body. Usually not a big deal. Kandy sucked this spray. Well, at $2,500 a gallon, we bought a first gallon of paint. I painted part of it. One of my painters painted part of it. Our paints didn't match. Obviously, that was a bad mistake on our part. Learning curve also. So we took it all the way back down, bought a second gallon of paint at $2,500. Painted it. Paint turned out, I had my painter paint it. Paint turned out less than satisfactory, especially for me. It probably would have flew if I wanted it to, but I saw tiger stripes and I didn't like it. So what I do, I fired the painter, bought another gallon of paint, and did it myself. Here we are 10 months later. and it's all painted. It looks beautiful. Everything's great, man. Like, problem is in those 10 months we've had about 4 different other guys working on this car, and this little bolt's got lost and that nut's got lost and things got lost and broken and misplaced, and luckily we got it all back together. We had to overnight a windshield strip or windshield seal, so we overnighted that and had some guys come out today and put the windshield in it. That was the last missing link that we, to deliver the car we had to have, so we did that. Got all that in. Everything's good. Everything's cleaned up, ready to go, and then obviously we opened the door and the chrome slid forward and hopefully didn't fuck up the fender. So but yeah, we're gonna get some fuel in it. We're gonna get it pulled back up. We're gonna drop the inner fender back out and hopefully pull the chrome off, and maybe it just needs some buffing. Hopefully it isn't a big ugly scratch on this new paint job. So here I go.
All right, y'all, that's it for this week. Fortunately, we were able to get the chrome piece put back onto the fender of the Impala without having any paint scratch. So we totally dodged a bullet there, but the customer's got the car, he's enjoying it and driving it, and so everything is great. As always, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Share our videos. Sharing our videos would really help our channel to grow. I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, new videos every Sunday at 8:30. Thanks for watching.